Kanse Nitotim, Miko Sisikwan Esquel Nitsiyigasin. My dear friends, my spirit name is Red Rattle Woman. I am also known as Loretta Tutauk. I am here today to share with you an important aspect of my journey. With over 2 decades of professional experience in social work and as a Métis woman, I've embarked on a path of consulting that aims to bridge cultural understanding and foster inclusivity between Indigenous and non-Indigenous communities. Through my consulting services, I offer a unique perspective that is through the intersection of my heritage and my expertise. With my heart rooted in Indigenous ways of knowing, I'm here to guide organizations towards embracing Indigenous perspectives and identifying areas where inclusivity can thrive. I've witnessed the beauty of the resilience of our Indigenous communities, and I've also recognized the need for respectful and authentic engagement that goes beyond token gestures. My goal is to assist companies in understanding the unique perspectives and challenges and strengths of Indigenous communities. I use a respectful approach using protocol, traditional teachings, and a deep respect for the diversity of Indigenous cultures. We do this through ceremony and through conversations, which allows us to connect with one another. We identify gaps and create strategies to honor the principle of inclusivity through Indigenous lens. One of the most profound aspects of this journey is building supportive relationships between Indigenous and non-Indigenous organizations. These relationships are founded on the values of respect, honesty, and a genuine commitment to mutual growth. I believe I've been given a gift to share harmonizing ancient wisdom of my own ancestors and elders with contemporary needs. It's an honor for me to be a bridge between cultures. I want to extend an invitation to those who believe, as I do, that inclusivity is a journey worth embarking upon. Let's collaborate, let's learn, and let's honor the richness of Indigenous perspectives together.